like stars that shine in darkness goes so bright. You once told me I'd have to dim my lights, my mystic being held by gravity.
Hello guys and girls, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video though, I am going to be doing my full face of makeup. I'm going to be doing a go-to sort of makeup that I've been doing when we're going on nights out, and I'm also going to be sharing with you some really big news. I am so proud and excited to share with you lovely lot. So let's begin. MAC Fix Plus, this is a lavender spray. Then I'm going to grab the Amazing Cosmetics Illuminator Highlighter Primer all-in-one. This is in the Glow shade. Nikki Tutorials really likes these and I can totally see why. Some of you guys may have seen last year I ended up doing a shoot with Mark Hill. So my eyebrows are looking big AF because I tinted them last night. I left the tint on for way too long. I got carried away. I started watching Celebs Go Dating, which really distracted me. And then I've ended up with huge eyebrows. Foundation time. Bloop, bloop. So if you've been a long-term subscriber of mine, then you may know that I actually work quite closely with Mark Hill, and they have been a brand that I have used for the longest time now, especially their hair electricals. And whenever I curl my hair, you can guarantee it is the Mark Hill Pick and Mix range without a fail. Makeup Revolution Define and Conceal Concealer. So basically we went to the shoot to do shots, test shots, that sort of thing, and then see if they like them. Basically this was to be on the packaging and stuff, but it wasn't guaranteed, and at this time I had black hair with little bits of brown in it. It was before I made the full transition to having brown hair. By the way, my face is going to look a little bit lighter compared to my body. I'm going to have to bronze it up because I do have fake tan on. So the shoot day was a lot of fun. They were such a lovely team to work with. Gemma from Mark Hill is one of the most nicest, down to earth, like, you know, when you work with a brand, it really makes a difference if they have a great team, and she is an absolute star. Like, she's so lovely to work with. And I was also shooting with Lucy Flight. Me and her were on the same day together, which was a lot of fun because we got on like a house on fire. Do you know what, guys? I'm actually going to insert the actual vlog footage from some of the day. Good morning, guys. I haven't actually spoken to you or vlogged at all this morning. Today I'm shooting with Mark Hill. You guys know I love their products. I look very tired because I only had like 5 hours sleep, because this is typical me. What do you guys think of this top? It's so nice and comfy and it looks really cool. I got it from ASOS. Anyways, totally beside the point. I'm just telling you because it's brand new on today. So I'm gonna sort my face out a little bit, and we're gonna be shooting using their products. So I'm gonna vlog the whole entire day because, you know, I love sharing these things with you. I got my hair freshly done yesterday for this as well. I got my hair extensions done at the extensionist in Battersea. Got a really cute little setup over here where the hair is being done. I am going to beat this face and make it look 1,000 times better.
Don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul. I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life. You'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you.
Do you guys want to say hello?
Hello.
Welcome to YouTube, guys. So on our third look now, is it third?
Yes, it is.
Third. And I've got some lunch here, so just gonna eat this. And once it's done, go out there. Back in the room, looking like Slick Rick right now. Hello, it is me. I'm back, getting rehydrated with Diet Coke, so, you know, not really rehydrating. It's balance, it's all about balance. This was done using the corkscrew. Honestly, I just want to like shake my curls at you guys. And it was all down to the what's she running away for? Surprise! Shortly after this shoot, I found out that I was going to be on the front of their best-selling Pick and Mix range. What? I just feel so grateful, so thankful, so humbled. I can't believe in the background that that is me on that packaging. I think as I'm getting older, I'm getting way too emotional for life. So I'm trying to, like, you know, calm myself down, but this is like happy emotions. I can't believe that my little face is on the back of these packaging. Like, what the hell, man? Like, that's my face. That's me.
A few moments later. More moments later.
What the hell? I had so many of you as well tweet me photos, tag me in them on Instagram, and I've not really been able to reply to everyone because, you know, I haven't been allowed to actually talk about it just yet. Like, the handle itself, you buy separately and then you buy the wands. I look like freaking Father Christmas right now. Bronzer time. So I'm going to be using some Too Faced bronzer just to warm on my skin, and then I'm going to go on to the eyes very shortly. I will be doing my hair, and I'm actually going to use one of their new curling wands because they've got 2 new curling wands out, which I'm so excited for. Just putting it out there, the small curl was my favourite, just saying. And on the side of the packaging you have the wand and what it looks like, and then on the back you have myself and Lucy, and it's great because she has shorter hair, so you get to see what this hairstyle would look like on shorter hair as well as long hair. Just gonna start buffing that off my face right now. I'm gonna be using a liquid lipstick on my eyes as well. This is a look that I've been going for if I want to go out and I want to have like a soft look, but I want to look like I've made some effort, then this has been the makeup I've been using. Blusher of choice is this one by MAC. Is it weird that I'm kind of digging the bigger eyebrows? I don't know. I think we'll have to see when the whole makeup is done, but I'm kind of vibing with it. What are we thinking? Do you hate them? Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to grab Exposed Liquid Lipstick by Kylie Jenner. I'm popping that onto the eyelid. We're going to start off with a short flat brush. Reason being this is quite sturdy because liquid lipstick will dry, but also I still want to keep the pigmentation and that colour there. Little patting motion and blending that out as well. Then I'm just going to grab Eden in my Desert Dust palette by Huda Beauty. And that one I'm going to buff out the edges and just lightly pat on top so it sets it in place. It's not going to be creasing, but it's really going to help smoke that out. I feel like Exposed and Eden go together amazingly. I mean, just look at that colour now. Then I'm going to grab one of the Stila eyeshadows. This is in Ballet Baby, just like so, and honestly it just looks so beautiful, just dispersed all over the lid. Oh, I'm obsessed with it. So soft. So I'm going to be using these lashes by Backstage Lashes. These are Girls Night Out, I want to say. That's what I want to say. Before I put the lashes on, just look how pretty and soft that looks. Alright, let's whack these bad boys on. This is when a look starts to come together, as when you're getting your lashes on. I'm just going to allow the lashes to get a little bit tacky and dry down. If you guys can see, there's still little bits of glue that need to dry. So I'm going to move on to the under eye now, and I'm going to go back to that liquid lipstick. So I'm going to pop some onto my thumb, just a little bit. Yeah, so I just want to say, guys, like, it really doesn't matter about your upbringing and your surrounding. Like, honestly, those things do kind of shape you into the person you are, but they really don't define you. You can achieve whatever you want. I just used to think, like, no, you're destined to do this kind of job and this kind of life. And then as I got older, I started to realise, like, I don't want that, and I want to do bigger things and stuff. And the fact that I'm on this packaging to some people may seem really minor, but to me it's the absolute world, and I'm so proud and humbled by it. Success is different to every single person, so don't let other people's ideas of success define you. And if you're a certain age of your life, don't put pressure on yourself. Like, really, honestly, just roll with it. Have Eden on the brush now, and I'm just going to run that underneath as well, just to smoke it out a little bit. Nude liner now. This one is by NYX. Benefit their Real mascara right now, just along the bottom eyelashes first of all. Doing my Bretman Rock face, honestly. Pop some on the top, just a small amount on the top, just to blend in my lashes with the fake ones and to see if it's still attached, because if you go at the root and you pull it up and you can feel it lift, then there might be a little gap where your friend ain't attached. I thought it was about time to use these highlighters again because it has been a hot minute since I used them. Do you know what? I'm going to use this one today. Let's do something completely different, and we're going to use that one. Just swirl it all up in there. Oh, oh crap. Whoa, that is a lot. Let's maybe put some on here. Oh my gosh. Oh, damn girl. Let's blend this cheek out and soften it out. Oh, when it's softened out, it's really lovely. But when it just went straight on, I was like, hot damn. Gonna go just above the eyebrow area. Just a smidge onto the brow bone area. Not gonna lie, I'm a little bit obsessed right now. Of course, I'm gonna be using the Kylie Jenner Exposed liquid lipstick because that's what I've used for the eyes. So these are the two new ones that they are celebrating the launch of. We have the Easy Curl and then we have the Glam Waver. You can see how completely different they are and how unique they are as well as wands. Like, they are so different. I feel like a soft wave will go quite nicely with this whole look we got going on. So this is the winner. So with the Easy Curl, it's for smaller curls and it has a guide, so you just follow the hair down the barrel, which makes it really good for like young users or people who ain't super confident with, you know, using curling tons. And then you have a cool tip at the end so that as it gets hot you don't burn yourself, which is awesome. This is my first time opening these up, guys, and this is my brand new handle. Oh my gosh, like, I don't want to ruin these boxes. I know I sound crazy, but this is the sort of stuff I'm going to keep in a box and just share with my children and my grandchildren when I'm older. Like, look what I've done. And then the handle. How cool is that design though? So let's pop that in. It's dead easy. You literally just slide it in and it has an unlock symbol and a lock symbol. And you just slide it along and turn it on. Bish, bash, bosh. I'm just going to do a little bit of a side partning right now. I'm going to separate this as well into half. I'm going to use some Mark Hill heat protection spray just to make sure I don't burn my hair. Okay, so I'm just wrapping it around. I'm going to face it downwards. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, that's definitely given me a really cool wave. Okay, so I'm going to fling that back and I'm going to take another section now. And I find all of them that I have used, I mean, I've used every single one of them except for these two new ones. And of course, this is my first time using this one now. But I find they do heat up really, really fast. Of course, I'm just going to be repeating that around the hair. And I'm going to be making sure my curls face away from my face. I have the Mark Hill McCoyless Nourishing Hairspray. I'm just going to spray it onto my fingertips right now. And just push it into that hairline and flatten this one here. Just before I wrap up the video here, I just want to say a really big thank you for every single one of you who has supported me from the get-go. Like, I really, really am thankful. I also want to give a big thanks to Mark Hill for allowing me to have this memory now for the rest of my life, and I hope that you love the Pick & Mix range as much as I do. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm going to go before I get emotional again. Bye.